Follow these steps if you want to fix Europa Universalis V issue. Firstly, you should open the Steam launcher or any launcher that you have the game on. After that, go to library and go to collection where you have the games. In the left menu, search for the game. It must be installed for this to work, so you need to select it. After that, click on this gear icon and then click on properties. Now go to installed files and click verify integrity of game files. Make sure to wait for the process to finish so it can verify and recover any missing or corrupted file. Once done, close this. The next step, go to the search and type in NVIDIA. Select the NVIDIA app. You can download it from their official website. Now go to drivers and make sure to download the latest available driver that you'll find. Go to settings after that and make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay. Once done, close this. Go to the Windows icon and make sure to click on settings. This window will pop up, so go to the Windows update in the bottom left corner and then make sure to check for updates and download and install all of them. If you do have failed updates or even stuck updates, just go to the update history and then make sure to uncheck the first two. Select recovery, select the first option. After that, click on other troubleshooters, select run in front of the Windows update and see if that works. Otherwise, go back and select this option, which is reinstall now. And that's it. If you do find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.